Alright, so this is a quick video on how to create BitcoinCash cash tokens on the new test network called Chipnet. So I'll run through it. First step there is the website to create your cash token web wallet, which will be linked in the description below. That is what it looks like when you create your wallet. And this next page is the Faucet, which is another site linked in the description below where you can get your test Bitcoin Cash to be able to play on the Chipnet with. So once you enter in the address of the wallet you just made on the first page, you put it into the Faucet here, and it will send you a little bit of test Bitcoin Cash to your new test web wallet. So here we're on the web wallet, and we can see that the balance has arrived. We have some of this test Bitcoin Cash, sBCH, and now with it we're going to make some tokens on our cash token web wallet. So currently there's no tokens, but we're going to go over to create tokens. And over here on create tokens, we'll start by creating a minting NFT. So this is a non-fungible token that gives you the authority, the permission to mint additional tokens. So here we've minted the NFT, and here's the ID of our minting NFT. Now we're going to click on mint NFT to make a bunch of NFTs, and we're going to make 12 NFTs using our minting NFT there. So you click mint NFTs, and now there's not only the minting NFT up top, but now there's 12 immutable NFTs below, all listed. And I'm not sure why I put this one in there. Those are minting NFTs. Those are the 3 types of tokens you can currently create. Now we're going to select fungible tokens and make a fungible token that has 1,300 tokens in the fungible tokens. So there you go at the bottom of the list. After the 13 immutable NFTs, we've got a fungible token that has 1,300 tokens in that fungible token to be able to be used and sent around. So just for a little bit of feedback for the developers, it would be nice if the immutable NFTs, if they stacked, so it would be easier to view all the immutable NFTs in the same category. And then additionally, the next feature, which would be great, would be the ability to add the information about the token via the web wallet. So currently, if you click info on a fungible token, it doesn't really give you anything. If you click info on an immutable NFT, it'll show you the whether it has an active NFT and the number of NFTs. One thing that's kind of confusing about that is that it's showing the same thing for the minting NFT and for the immutable NFT. So the minting NFT, there really should only be a supply of 1, whereas the immutable NFT has a supply of 12. So I don't know if that's a bug or if I'm misinterpreting that, but that's feedback for the developer. And then the final piece of feedback for the developer is the one thing that would be great to be within the app is the ability to name the token and add the icon. So currently when you create a token, it gives you a little information on how you can do that by going to a GitHub, and then it shows you something about code, which is kind of confusing for the average user. So if it was possible to interface that within the same app, that would be really ideal for the average user to be able to customize the minting NFT, immutable NFT, or fungible token which they are creating on this web wallet. So that wraps up this tutorial on how to use the cash token web wallet, a little bit of intro so that you can see how easy it is to make tokens and the state of where the developers are at currently for the Bitcoin Cash upgrade, which will be happening on May 15th. So this is just testing it out beforehand and getting the tools better developed. And so a fungible token is one that you could use like a currency, and the NFT would be a one that is not fungible and could represent a contract or a piece of art or a number of different things. And then the minting one is about authority to mint more of the NFTs. Yeah, so there's the feedback and how to do it. And then the BCATs is just BitcoinCash tokens. It's just a little acronym, and playing with that with the cat meme, just to help with a little bit of advertising. And finally, I had told someone ahead of time that I was going to call my token Kibbles or something like that. But because I am the average user who's not going to make a GitHub or Gist or those other steps, I got as far as I can get just using this app, and that represents kind of an average user. And if you want to support the channel, you can send actual Bitcoin Cash here.